Yo guys, it's Jack from JMJ Videos. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have been good throughout all time that we haven't uploaded. Sorry that we haven't uploaded. Mitch has been uploading. I think he's uploaded twice. He's uploaded twice in the past like 2 weeks or something, or week. He's uploaded the one where we're in that forest with his, I think it was cousin. Then there were one with me sitting over there when I said I can't be in it for some reason because something's gone off, but I can't tell you that. But welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick video saying welcome back. I don't know what title's going to be, but after this video I'm going to make another one and I'm going to try and that's what I'm looking for. Try and edit this better. So I'm gonna go on my camera roll, transfer it to make a video, transfer it to iMovie, which we used before on the old channel, and then transfer it onto here. But if you don't, then you're gonna have to just deal with the rubbish editing that we've got on here. So hope you guys enjoy. Share this video with all your friends, family, cousins, whatever, and even your teachers if you want, and just check these guys out. I think they're pretty good, but that's your opinion. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you soon.